Alright, my YouTube fans, got my man Marco out here. Got his bike put back together here. We got the kickstand. Sorry, a little dark with the sunshine. You can tell here. We got his kickstand. Welded back on. Had to put the foot peg. He had the foot peg still at his house. Got a new air filter put on. Carburetor's cleaned out in there. Down here in the float, we got new screws put in there. Like I said in the last video, we had to cut them out, put some flathead, but I took it out. Got some Phillips screws in there now. We got his exhaust mounted tight. We got all the wires, they were hanging before. Got them all tidied up with a wire mount, as you can see in there. This is the 125 pit bike. We got a screw with a nut put in there, a bolt with a nut put in there for the gear shifter. We got his hand guards up in the right position. The clutch was tight, we got that adjusted now. Before we had to put like a lot of stuff. Now you can squeeze that with one finger, definitely with two fingers. Yeah, Marco, you'll be shifting some gears now, baby. Got the front brake adjusted lever up. Here goes his other bike, like I said before. Let's see if we can get this one fired up here. The gas is on. Got the choke back here for start. I'll turn her on. You can see she's cold. Let's see what happens here. One pull. Let's see if we get her with one pull. Up. There it is. There she goes. And cold start, 2 pulls, baby. Running nice and clean. Oh yeah. Yep. That's one bike done for him. Fucking God. And then we got his other bike here. See if we can give y'all a video of me starting this up here. Remember before you had a carburetor problem, this thing wouldn't start unless you had starter fluid. See how we got it now. Turn her on. took a little second, but she's up and running. No starter fluid needed. Idling pretty nice and good. There you are, Marco. Y'all comment down below. Tell your friends and your family. Share the pictures about me. Share the videos about me, man. Let them know you spread the word out there for me, man. Appreciate the business. Thanks a lot, man. Much love. Here's your bikes. I hope for you and your kids, your family have a good time. Y'all enjoy it, man. You guys stay safe. Peace, baby. Murray Mini Motors, Ed Murray. Subscribe, comment down below. Peace.